In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Typeform trigger in N8N and use it to automate the next steps in your workflow. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can get everything connected properly and understand what each part is doing along the way. Start by opening your N8N canvas. This is the workspace where you build your automation visually, so if you already have a workflow open, you can work there. If not, create a new workflow to keep things organized. Once you're on the canvas, add a Typeform trigger node. This node is what listens for new submissions coming from your Typeform form. In other words, whenever someone fills out that form, this trigger can start your workflow automatically. After adding the Typeform trigger node, the next step is to connect your Typeform account. Inside the node, click the option to create new credentials in N8N. You'll be connecting with an access token from Typeform, which allows N8N to securely communicate with your Typeform account. Make sure you paste in your token carefully and save the credentials once connected. It's always a good idea to confirm that the connection is successful before moving on, since your workflow depends on that trigger being authorized correctly. Once your credentials are connected, choose the correct form, the drop-down list inside the Typeform trigger node. This is important because the workflow will only listen for submissions from the form you select here. If you have several forms in your account, take a second to confirm you're choosing the right one. That small check can save you troubleshooting time later. Next, connect the output of the Typeform node to the action nodes you want to run after a submission is received. For example, you might send the form data into Postgres to store responses, send a Slack message to notify your team, or trigger an email action for follow-up. The main idea is that the Typeform trigger starts the workflow, and the downstream nodes handle whatever should happen next. As you connect these nodes, think through the order of your automation so the data moves in a clean and logical way. When everything is connected and looks correct, activate the N8N workflow. This final step turns the automation on so it can begin listening for new Typeform submissions in real time. After activation, it's a smart idea to test the setup by submitting a sample response through your form and confirming that your downstream actions run as expected. That's it. You now have a Typeform